This is Meditation for Older Adults. We're so happy to see you. We really want to invite you to join us every Wednesday at 10:30 Eastern Time. The session is always such a great pleasure to be with everybody. So we want to welcome you. Hope to see you there. And Evan, did you want to share anything?
Yeah, I just wanted to add to that. We really love meeting all our new friends here at Meditation for Older Adults. We learn a lot from everybody, all the stories, and it's really great. We have fun, we smile together, and we laugh together, and it's just the best time. Please join us. People who need people are the luckiest people in the world.
Sure. Yeah, it's really, in the morning, it's such a warm, open community. And, the more people who we can have, everyone, it's like meeting for a coffee in the morning. Like everyone's, each other's friend. And, we welcome new friends as well. So, feel free to join us. And also you can potentially realize a lot about yourself, as well during the process, during the meditation. It's really powerful method, that we're introducing here. So really hope that you can join us Wednesday mornings. Thank you.
Place where happiness evolves. You can watch us all grow, and the big-heartedness of the whole entire group just fills you with such pleasure that you dance out of here at the end of the day.
Very great.
Veronica, do you have a few words for us?
This is the greatest meet and greet that I've ever experienced, and it's just enriches your life. When we come together and everybody's laughing and talking, it definitely enriches your life.
For older adults, every Wednesday, 10:30 a.m. Eastern. We really hope to see you.
Thank you. See you.